Today we'll make a very delicious Japanese noodle. It's called Miso Udon. So we'll bring some water to boil and add our dry vegetable pack to the water. Then we can cut open our miso packet, also add it to the water. Then we can add our ingredients. We have some crab sticks. So in this case, I'll use 4 crab sticks. Very tasty, add a lot of flavor. Then we have some Japanese fish cakes. These are uniquely shaped. And our udon noodles. I love the udon noodles because they can be boiled and it doesn't soften up like the regular egg noodles. So this is perfect for this dish. Now once everything is in, before it's boiling, we'll crack 1 egg in the center. Just don't touch it. We allow it to soft boil as is. Then we have our tofu. So we simply cut the tofu into nice rectangular shape and drop it in our soup very slowly. Make sure you don't break the tofu because it's very delicate. So I drop it on the rim so not to upset the egg and the rest of the ingredients in the soup. Then we slowly watch it come back to a boil. Usually takes about 5 minutes. And once it comes to a boil, with our chopsticks or any utensil you prefer, just give it a quick mix to make sure everything is not sticking. And we just watch the egg in the center as indicator when this is ready. Once it turns white, you know this is ready. We don't want to overboil the egg, so once that turns white, we can start plating. Look how beautiful this is. This is just amazing. Now let's check our egg. Ooh, it's nice and runny. Look at the center. This adds so much flavor to this. I love this. And the tofu is nice and soft. Let's check out crab sticks. It's all absorbed in our soup. The noodle is still nice and firm. So now, enjoy this. So we'll see you next time. Bye now.